Ever wondered why smartphones use lithium-ion batteries? It's not just a random choice. Lithium-ion batteries have become an integral part of our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. They're the invisible heroes powering our favorite gadgets, from the smartphones we can't live without, to the laptops that keep us connected. These ubiquitous powerhouses are more than just a trend. They're a technological choice, driven by unique properties that make them ideal for our digital age. Our journey today will take us into the heart of these energy marvels, shedding light on the reasons behind their prevalence. We'll dig into the science that makes lithium-ion batteries tick, their advantages over other types of batteries, and why they've become the energy staple of our smartphone era. You might be surprised at how much there is to learn about that little rectangle inside your phone. So, stick around to find out why your smartphone probably runs on a lithium-ion battery. To understand why lithium-ion batteries are popular, we first need to know what they are. A lithium-ion battery, often found powering our favorite gadgets, is a type of rechargeable battery where lithium ions move from the negative electrode, or anode, to the positive electrode, or cathode, during discharge and back when charging. Imagine a lithium-ion battery as a sandwich. The bread of this sandwich is the anode and cathode, while the filling is the electrolyte. The anode, typically made of graphite, serves as the host for the lithium ions and is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. The cathode, often composed of a lithium metal oxide, is connected to the positive terminal. The electrolyte, the filling of our sandwich, is a lithium salt in an organic solvent. It acts as the medium for the lithium ions to move between the anode and cathode. But how does this sandwich battery actually work? With the help of an external circuit, the lithium ions shuffle from the anode to the cathode through the electrolyte, creating a flow of electrical charge. This process, known as discharging, powers your device. When the battery is connected to a power source to recharge, the lithium ions move back from the cathode to the anode, ready to start the process all over again when needed. It's important to note that the performance of a lithium-ion battery, including its energy density and safety, heavily depends on the materials used for the anode, cathode, and electrolyte. Different combinations of materials can result in batteries with different characteristics, making them suitable for a wide range of applications, from powering tiny wearable devices to electric vehicles. Now that we know what a lithium-ion battery is, let's look at why they're so commonly used. You might be surprised by the number of advantages lithium-ion batteries have over other types. Now let's dive into the details. The first major advantage is their high energy density. To put it in simpler terms, imagine a small suitcase that can hold enough clothes for a 2-week vacation. That's essentially what lithium-ion batteries do. They pack a lot of power into a small package, which is why they're the go-to choice for devices that need to be lightweight and compact, like your smartphone. Then there's the lack of memory effect. You may remember the old rechargeable batteries that needed to be completely drained before being recharged. If you didn't do this, they'd forget part of their capacity. This was known as the memory effect. Now think about a smart kid in class who always remembers everything. That's your lithium-ion battery. It doesn't suffer from this memory effect, so you can charge it whenever you want without having to worry about reducing its lifespan. Finally, we have low self-discharge. Imagine a leaky bucket. Over time it loses water, even if it's not being used. That's what happens with many batteries. They lose their charge over time even when not in use. But lithium-ion batteries are like a well-sealed bucket. They have a remarkably low self-discharge rate, meaning they retain their charge for a longer period when not in use. These advantages make lithium-ion batteries incredibly efficient and versatile. They can be used in a variety of applications, from powering your smartphone to running electric cars. They're also environmentally friendly, as they don't contain toxic metals like lead or mercury. But it's important to remember that while lithium-ion batteries may seem like the superheroes of the battery world, they do have their kryptonite. As you can see, there are several reasons why lithium-ion batteries are a great choice for smartphones, but they're not perfect. Like anything else, lithium-ion batteries have their downsides. While they have revolutionized our world with their high energy density and long cycle life, it's important to note there are some potential safety risks and disadvantages associated with them. Firstly, let's talk about overheating. Lithium-ion batteries can generate a lot of heat, especially when they're being charged or discharged rapidly. If this heat isn't managed properly, it can lead to what's known as thermal runaway, a chain reaction that can cause the battery to overheat and potentially catch fire or explode. This is why it's so important to use the right charger for your device and to avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures. Another concern is the potential for lithium-ion batteries to explode if they're punctured or damaged. This is due to the highly reactive nature of lithium itself. If the battery's casing is compromised and the lithium comes into contact with water or air, it can result in a violent reaction. In addition to these safety risks, lithium-ion batteries also have a few other downsides. For one, they're relatively expensive to produce compared to other types of batteries. They also have a limited lifespan and will gradually lose their capacity over time, meaning your device's battery life will get shorter and shorter as it ages. Finally, there's the issue of disposal. Lithium-ion batteries can't just be thrown in the trash like regular household waste. They contain toxic materials that can harm the environment if not disposed of properly. So if you have an old smartphone or other device with a lithium-ion battery that you're not using anymore, it's important to take it to a proper recycling facility. Despite these concerns, the benefits of lithium-ion batteries far outweigh the risks for most smartphone users. Their high energy density, long life, and ability to be recharged hundreds of times make them the ideal power source for today's high-tech devices. Plus, as technology continues to advance, we can expect to see improvements in lithium-ion battery safety and performance in the future. So, what does the future hold for lithium-ion batteries? A question on many minds as we look ahead to what technological advancements might be on the horizon. Currently, lithium-ion batteries are the powerhouse behind many of our everyday devices. But, like all technology, they're not stopping there. Research and development in this field are ongoing, and the results we're beginning to see are nothing short of exciting. One of the primary areas of focus for researchers is enhancing the safety of these batteries. We've all heard the horror stories of phones catching fire, and while these incidents are rare, the goal is to make them non-existent. Efforts are underway to develop non-flammable electrolytes and to improve battery management systems. These advancements will not only make batteries safer, but will also extend their lifespan. But safety isn't the only area seeing potential improvements. The efficiency of lithium-ion batteries is another hot topic. Researchers are looking at how to decrease the time it takes to charge these batteries, all while maintaining, or even increasing, their energy output. Imagine a world where charging your phone only takes a few minutes, but the battery lasts all day. It's a future that could soon be a reality. And let's not forget about capacity. The demand for batteries that can store more energy is high. Think about electric cars. The more energy a battery can hold, the further the car can drive on a single charge. Scientists are exploring new materials and designs to increase the energy density of lithium-ion batteries, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In the end, the future of lithium-ion batteries is bright. We're standing on the brink of a new era in battery technology, one that promises safer, more efficient, and higher capacity batteries. So, next time you charge your smartphone, you'll know a bit more about the powerful technology inside.